Welcome everyone to the Frame YouTube channel. Designing, prototyping, building, or even destroying. Our daily life is surrounded by processes of all kinds, each more interesting than the last. But have you ever wondered what's behind all of this? In our videos, you will find explanation of how things are built, from the most simple pencil to the most complex machines. Stories behind the world's most successful companies. Analysis of future trends in the world of industry. Exclusive interviews. And so much more. So make sure you subscribe to The Frame and catch us on our next videos.